Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Bergeon 4657. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Bergeon 4657 dust blower or air blower. And just taking a look around the sides of the box packaging. There are some product details about this Bergeon 4657 dust blower in several languages. And taking a look at the back of the box packaging, there are some other details for other Bergeon products. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, popping up the box flap. That's keeping the box closed and taking a look directly inside of it. So we can see the Bergeon 4657. Let's tip it out from its card packaging and taking a look inside, making sure nothing is left behind. And we can close the box back up and set it on the right hand side of the frame as we focus on the dust blower itself. So you can see it does have a pale orange or even orangey brown body on it, and we can see that Bergeon branding on it as well. So it does have a fine point nozzle or tip. It is a PVC tip right there with a pointed end, and you can see that small hole opening for the outlet of the dust blower. And on the bottom side is the inlet valve, so giving you a look right there of this Bergeon 4657 dust blower, and having it rest in my palm, giving you some sense of the size of this dust blower. Okay, so right there, giving you an all-round look, and let's just rotate it fully so you have a full view of this dust blower. So just turning it or rotating it right round and right there, giving you a complete view of this dust blower. And once again, the bottom or inlet valve right there molded into the bulb or body of this dust blower or air blower. And of course, once again, that grey PVC tip. So just giving a tap so it feels really, really rigid, as you can hear right there. And it doesn't flex at all. So sits very stiffly and securely in that neck of the bulb of this dust blower. And let's see if we can pull it out. So even with quite a decent amount of effort, it doesn't budge. And you can see there's hardly any slack, and I'm applying quite a bit of pressure trying to pull the tip out from the body, so it doesn't appear to be designed for removing. So just giving you a look right there and right there, just giving you a very complete and thorough view of this Bergeon 4657. And a top-down look as well. And of course, just making sure that that nozzle is securely in place, as it is. So it does have a very finely textured, or actually smooth, powdery body on the bulb of this dust blower. And let's give it a squeeze right there. And you can hear the airflow flowing in from the rear or bottom of that inlet valve and out via that finely tipped pointed PVC nozzle, and just giving you some idea right there as I squeeze and pump the air out from the body or valve of this Bergeon dust blower. So right there, with some vigorous pumps, and of course we can do that lightly as well. So it does produce a very fine stream of air as I blast and pump the air out with some strong and vigorous pumps. And of course we can do that lightly as well. So let me just reposition my grip. So those moderate pumps and some quick light pumps, and of course if we need to give it a strong blast right there. So giving you a look at this nice rubbery soft orangey brown body of this Bergeon 4657 dust blower with its PVC pointed nozzle, and of course that integrated inlet valve at the bottom. So that's the Bergeon 4657. Thanks for watching and happy blowing!